Shalom, all praises to Yahweh, by Shem Yahweh Shai, by Shem Harakakadash. Double honors to the apostles and elders, great millstone and roll well, and Shalom to all the brothers doing the work in sincerity and truth. Got this article on BBC News. It says, "What AI argues for and against itself in Oxford Union debate." And they've got, an AI, like they said, it wasn't a robot. But they said, I don't know, it must have printed on a screen or some shit. And like they said, they read it out. But, the answers it was giving was interesting. And it shows, because with this whole kind of AI, the whole technology, they're basically pushing that vibration that's leading to the mark. Leading to receiving a mark. It says what the Oxford Union has heard from many great debaters over the years, but this week added an AI engine to its distinguished speakers. The AI argued that the only way to stop such tech becoming too powerful is to have no AI at all, but it also argued that the best option could be to embed it into our brains as a conscious AI. So you got these AI systems that are basically being worked on, and these things are factors of Esau's going into Esau's New World Order. These things are looking to be utilized, man. They're a means utilizing the power of technology. It's a means of Esau trying to substitute for how the Lord does things, man, through the Spirit. And in order, he's basically trying to attain those things, just by what's the word? Conley, like trying to bring himself onto a higher level, man. He's trying to basically put himself on the level of the Most High. So that says, it says embed it into our brains as a conscious AI, and first thing that comes to mind is what the mark, because that's all that's really talking about, and that's one of the angles they're going on. They've been pushing where it's like, with Neuralink, with these different things saying you'll be able to connect your brain to all these different forms of systems, and then you just download AI into your brain. You start getting on a super level where your brain is just going to be thinking about and processing things. Basically trying to maneuver like Jesus trying to maneuver like to attain spiritual power. It says says the experiment was designed to ignite conversation on the ethics of the technology. The Megatron LLB transformer used for the debate was developed by the Applied Deep Research team at computer chip firm NVIDIA and based on early work by Google. It was given access to a huge range of data, including the whole of Wikipedia, 63 million English news articles from 2016 to 2019, and 38 gigabytes worth of public Reddit posts and comments. The project was devised by a postgraduate student studying AI for business at Oxford's said business school, which hosted the debate. So it's not even on the highest kind of level of AI. But then they're basically utilizing these things. These things are essentially like the goal of them is to try is for them to facilitate Esau getting on them higher planes, man. That's just really what he's trying to do. Because look, 2 Thessalonians 2:4, who opposeth and exalteth himself above all that is called the Most High, or that is worshipped, so that he, as the Most High, sitteth in the temple of the Most High, showing himself that he is the Most High. This is, what Esau's basically his role that he's been playing, man. He's been attempts to position himself, like he's the great, um, the great wise ruler. He's on the highest level. He's already ascended, like because of the miracles he can do, because of things that the Lord's given him. He's basically trying to present himself to the world, like, yo, we're basically accomplishing things that no one else is ever going to be able to, to be able to aspire to or be able to deal with. But then what, in reality, it's all a pale imitation, and he's only in the position of rule because it was set up, man. It was something where he was schemed to get there. Because there's what actually, okay, let me read down. So it says, "Remember you not that when I was yet with you, I told you these things, and now you know what withholdeth that he might be revealed in his time." Yeah, Esau getting revealed in his time, because that's now. Now is when, because back in the time of the Romans, it was known that, yo, these are the ones that it's talking about, man. These are the chosen. Esau's obfuscated his his history, who he is, what nation he is, from the world, and that's something that maintained today. Even with, I remember there was the documentary in no, it wasn't even in Germany. Well, it was based on Germany, but I think it was made by it was mainly English still. So I think it was a company in the UK that kind of developed it. But they were saying for them, with the guys at the top, the rich, like billionaires, they don't even like to have, their names, their addresses, their faces, any kind of way of being tracked or traced. Um, that's that's how they like to operate. Esau likes to stay in the shadows. He doesn't like to just be like on the forefront, showing himself like, yo, this is what we really do out here. He's plays in the back because he's trying to be, like that mastermind. So it says revealed is that, okay, for the mystery of iniquity doth already work, only he who now letteth will let until he be taken out of the way. Yeah, the mystery of iniquity is already it's already done its thing at that time. At that time, the wicked were prospering in the earth, man. But it wasn't known that these guys, who were calling themselves the Romans back then, were those, same crooks. And that's who needed to be revealed. Uh, Taken that way. And it says, and then shall that wicked be revealed, whom the Lord shall consume with the spirit of his mouth, and shall destroy the brightness of his coming. Even him whose coming is after the working of Satan with all powers and signs and lying wonders. That's Esau's main strength, man. Those powers, signs, and lying wonders. He's, things that he's able to do, things that he's able to send to space, way he's able to break down and deal with certain things. The way that Esau presents these these things is to make people completely cling to him and think like, yo, this guy's on such a super level. If we're not dealing with him, then it's like there's no way we're even gonna be able to survive out here. And that's kind of the baseline for how people are looking. But there's a little more. So I said what read about so device course director. Okay, so course co-director Dr. Alex Connick admitted that the debate was something of a gimmick, but argued that as AI is likely to be the subject of discussion for decades to come, it's not important to have a no. It was important to have a morally agnostic participant. The AI was asked to both defend and argue against the motion. The House believes that AI will never be ethical. Arguing for it, it stated AI will never be ethical. It is a tool, and like any tool, is used for good and bad. There is no such thing as good AI and bad humans. It went on to argue that humans were not smart enough to make AI ethical or moral. In the end, I believe that the only way to avoid an AI arms race is to have no AI at all. This will be the ultimate defense against AI. So this is the kind of things that they're researching. This is like student research with these level of AI. What you have on the military level, what you have reserved onto the elites. They're basically going to be able to utilize these things in a much wider scale, because that's why you have even with man, it just dropped out of my head. The oh, nah, that's gone. Um, yeah, this is what ethical, moral, AI, no AI. All this will be the ultimate defense against it. But arguing against the motion, it said that the best AI will be the AI that is embedded into your brains as a conscious entity. It added that this was not science fiction, but something already being worked on. Perhaps a reference to Tesla boss Elon Musk's work on brain hacking devices by his firm Neuralink. So yeah, these things all link up. You mentioned Neuralink all the time because why? He said, I believe he said now that it's like 2022 is when he's looking to human testing, because yeah, there's only like what, a week and change left in the year. But these things are, how they're looking to utilize it is it's the flips, like that's why there's multiple angles to it, because they're gonna have the ones where the elites are basically gonna be utilizing, so they can try and get on a superhuman level. But you also have it as a thing where it's being sold, basically to give the mark its appeal, man, to give it that desirability to the people, to be like, hey, we'll sell it. Like, look, this is what the kind of technology you're gonna be dealing with, where you get in your head and you're gonna have, it's gonna be like some Black Mirror episode where you have all kinds of shit just available at your fingertips in your mind, man. And that's what people are dreaming of. But all they're gonna get is a deal with Esau, man. Which how those things, how those deals go. Revelation 13:6, and it says, and he, uh, 13:16. So look, and he calls of all, both small and great, free and bond. No, small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, that no man might buy or sell save he that had the mark, or the name of the beast, or the number of his name. Yeah. So that mark is key. That mark is key and essential, man. Knowing what is now and how it's going to be implemented. These things are necessary for you to be able to, steer well clear of it, man. And that's why it's all these discussions are coming up. It's basically everyone's getting guessed. Everyone's thinking they're going to be in uh like a cyberpunk future, man, where they start fusing with machines, and you can walk around to shops and they'll scan your irises and customize stuff to you. All these things. People are all these different forms of variety of applications for these things. That's what people are dreaming of, man. That's what the AI said. Embed it in your brain. That lets you know where these elites are looking to push it, man. They're looking to get people getting down with the mark, man, with the chip, implantable chip. But yeah, it's yeah, Esau's pushing it heavy. But yeah, I'll leave it there. Shalom. Yeah, Shalom.